Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cover for a KDP book in Canva. Let's get started. Canva is a free-to-use design tool that enables you to create beautiful illustrations for free, only by signing up with your email address. And Amazon KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing, which allows you to publish your own books absolutely for free. Amazon handles all of the difficult parts of publishing, such as printing, publishing. All of that difficult stuff is handled by Amazon. All you have to do is upload all of your pages or your design, and that is it. So, to do this, to create your KDP book cover, first off, you want to head on over to Google Chrome and just search for KDP book cover template. Once you do that, you will have the first link, which is kdp.amazon.com/cover calculator. So you just want to head on over to this link. From here, you will enter your book information. So how do you want your book to be printed? Let's say for us, we're doing a paperback book cover with standard color as well as white paper, and then it's going to be left to right, and then I have the measurements in inches. Then I have my interior trim size. So what is going to be the size of my book? Let's say that I'm creating a 6 by 9 inch book. So that is going to be the interior size of my page. And then let's say I have 100 pages. So once you've entered all of your information, you want to click on Calculate Dimensions over here, and you will get all of your dimensions. To make this a lot easier, simply click on Download Template. Never ever do a right click and save this image, because this image is for reference. You want to download your own customized template from here. Once you download that template, you will find it in a zip file. You want to click on that zip file, and it will automatically extract the image in the form of PNG and PDF. So now what you want to do is you want to head on over to Canva. And once you're on canva.com, you want to click on Create a Design, and then choose Custom Size. Now this is very essential and important to remember. You want to change this from pixels to inches. Then you want to go back into your KDP book cover. Now we have the full cover. These are the measurements. You want to add. The reason for this is because these measurements represent the entirety, so the back and the front. You want to make sure you're adding it like this, because this is how you're going to upload the book cover design. So these are the bleeds. The bleeds are the sections that account for the sides, where the paper is going to be cut. Then you have your safe area as well, and the margins. Then you also have your basic front cover. So I'm going to add 12.475 as my width in Canva, and then for my height, I'm going to add 9.25. And then you just want to click on Create New Design. Once you've clicked on Create New Design, you will have your basic little section added over here. So in this section, what you want to do is you want to make sure that once your canvas is loaded, you just add your image. So the image that you just got from the Canva extractor, you want to upload that image over here. And once you've added your image over here, you just want to align it and then resize it, and it should most likely fit perfectly into your canvas. So if it doesn't fit perfectly into your canvas, that means that you probably had some issues with the sizing. Now, make sure that you have your images aligned perfectly. Make sure you entered the correct dimensions of the full cover over here, and this will fit perfectly. Now, a lot of you might wonder, what is the purpose of adding this entire image to your Canva design when you're supposed to actually design your book cover? Now, the reason that you're adding this image is because you want to be able to work off of an area. This will give you a basic idea of where you're supposed to place all of your items. So what you want to do is just click on the image, and then click on this icon over here, which is the transparency icon. And you can just make this semi-transparent, so it's easier for you to navigate through. And then just click on the lock button. What the lock button allows you to do is that it just keeps this image in place, and you can design on top of it. And then at the end, you can delete this image. With your guide in place, you can start designing. Use Canva's extensive library to search for backgrounds, images, and graphics. You can look for specific themes like abstract art or nature background to use on your front cover. Simply drag your chosen elements onto the canvas and position them within the front cover area marked by your guide. For the back cover, you might want a simpler or complementary design. You can add solid colored shapes, gradients, or subtle patterns. Canva's color picker tool is by creating a front cover and cover a front of a smaller balance. You can also experiment with gradient tools to blend colors smoothly for a professional background. Don't forget the spine, the narrow vertical section between the front and back. You can decorate it simply with lines, patterns, or a solid color that matches your design. Search for line elements in Canva, rotate them, and place them neatly within the spine area to add a polished detail. When you're ready to add text, go to the Text tab. Add a heading for your book's title. Place it prominently on the front cover section, making sure it stays within the safe zone so it doesn't get cut off. You can use a subheading for your author name. For the back cover, add a text box to include your book's description, a barcode placeholder, and any other necessary details. Once your design is complete, it's time to prepare the final file. Select and group all the design elements you created. You can then unlock and delete the faded template guide layer underneath, as it is no longer needed. What remains is your finished book cover design. To export, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. For KDP, you must choose PDF print as the file type to ensure the highest quality and proper formatting. Download the file to your computer. You are now ready to publish. Head back to your Amazon KDP bookshelf, upload this PDF as your book cover file, and your professionally designed cover is complete. By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.